Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a really exciting unboxing slash haul. If you guys have watched my previous videos of other stuff that I've hauled recently, you'll know that I have just been going a little crazy. I'm gonna have the link right up there so you guys can check them out. But a couple of those items are right there, and I have some right here as well. But first of all, if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, and vlogs, do not forget to subscribe to the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop. It's hadrian.com to see whatever sale from my thrifting adventures. And hopefully after all this it's over, we can all head to the thrift stores and go look for treasures. So right now, I have been searching, scouring the internet, Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, eBay, everywhere I can see, or check out and look for treasures. And I have been on a little kick of a certain brand and a certain style thing, and it has just been really fun, just like kind of like looking for deals and checking, scouring everywhere. I don't know, it's almost like a game at this point, trying to find these things at really great prices. So if you guys love designer stuff and getting them at great deals, you guys are like in the right spot. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. I'm actually getting more stuff in. I was gonna kind of do like one giant video, but I think I'll do like a video like revealing all the stuff all at once. But I got 3 more things right here, which are not 3, 4 more things. 1, 2, 3, 4 more things right here. And with that being said, let's just jump into it. But if you guys want to guess what these are, they're all like the same type of thing. So comment down below, see if you get it right. But here's the first thing. I don't know exactly what these are because I ordered a bunch of stuff. So we're all just gonna be surprised as I open each of these. Because, okay, the first thing. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's a Chanel card holder. It's in like a metallic pearlescent blue caviar leather with silver hardware. It's gorgeous. There's like very minimal like wear. There's like a little bit of like marks on the hardware. It has the authenticity card right here. And there's the Made in Italy stamp right there. There's the Chanel thing. And I know that the serial number is right here. It's right here in the pocket. Right there. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's even more gorgeous than I thought it would be. It smells so good. Okay guys, I'm like super duper impressed and excited for this. Look how pretty it is. Look at the color. Oh, it's so nice. I'm so excited. Okay. Control yourself, Hadrian. I love these little card holders. I find that they're like pretty much my go-to in terms of like a wallet. I don't really carry too much stuff with me in terms of like cards and stuff, and I don't normally carry too much cash on me. Usually just my debit cards. So very excited about this. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Okay, next one right here. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh! It's another card holder. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. Wow. So this one is in like a, it's like a, almost, it's not quite a cobalt blue, but it is like a very, like a purpley type of blue, maybe like a royal blue, right? It's stunning. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It has little authenticity card right here. And it has like the little card placeholder things inside of it, which is really nice, like to kind of like help keep the shape and stuff. This one looks so good. It looks like it's never been used. I like the CC hardware right here. It has like the silver on the outside, but then in the inside it has like the enamel that's the same color as the leather. This one is a beautiful lambskin. It's so soft and supple to the touch. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm literally dying. I'm just like looking at all the stamping and markings. I'm pretty sure these are all authentic as well. So far, at least, from what I see here. The little serial numbers right there. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so nice. So pretty. I'm so excited. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so there's that. Oh my gosh. Look at how look at the difference in color. Gorgeous. Yeah, this one's definitely more purple, but this one is like so special. It's like almost like a mermaid. It's like iridescent. Ooh, I love it so much. Which one do I like more? I don't know. And so, I forgot to show you guys like the card, like that. So there's 2 card slots on one side, on both of them, and then the other side has 1, and then there's like the middle one. So there's 3 exterior, 1 middle. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I'm like hyperventilating. Okay, the next one is right here. I bet you guys can guess what this is gonna be. Okay, here's the next one. Oh my gosh. This one is so gorgeous. The color is everything. So this one is the this is another card wallet. This is the boy style, and it's a yellow caviar leather. It's such a beautiful yellow. It's like almost like a true yellow. It's not like too lemony. It's really pretty. And then it has like that aged gold hardware. It has the authenticity card right here. And this one actually came also with the tags, which is insane. It's the O card holder. There's like the info for it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I'm like literally having a panic attack. This is stunning. And this one retailed for $425. Oh my gosh, I'm like shaking. I'm so excited. This is beautiful. I'm so shook. So just like the other 2, this one has 1 pocket right here, 2 in the back, 1 at the top. I'm loving this caviar leather. It is so nice. Oh, also, I am gonna wash my hands after this. Like, I was gonna wear gloves. Like, people, I know my other unboxings, people are like, oh my gosh, you're not wearing gloves. I'm gonna wash my hands after this. It's pretty much the same whether or not I wear gloves anyway, so as long as I wash my hands properly. I did get these in today, but they have been in the mail. I've been tracking them for more than 2 days. So they've been in transport for 2 days, so the interior hasn't been touched other than when they were first put into the packages, and then the postal workers touched it, bringing it here. But again, after this, I'm going to like quarantine them, and I'm not going to touch them for a few days, but I have to unbox them and open them and inspect them, because these items I purchased online, and I have to rate the sellers in order for them to get their money, and I have 3 days whether or not to check them to make sure that they're authentic and all that. So I have to do my due diligence, make sure that the items are as described, and make sure that I'm not getting like bamboozled or something. And yeah, so... but check it out. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. My collection is growing. Love it. I'm so excited, like beyond excited right now. These are stunning. Okay. So there's those. Okay, and then this is the last one. Oh, I'm so sad this is the last one. I'm having so much fun opening them. I'm also turning red because I'm like so excited. But okay, let's get this card. Okay, this one. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this one came with the dust bag. I love the dust bags. They are so luxurious and gorgeous. Can you see that color? It's so pretty. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no. This one is beyond gorgeous. Okay, so this one still has a protective sticker covering the front. This is in the most beautiful metallic green color ever. Silver hardware. This is the Zip Around O wallet, I think is what it's called. Let me see. Here's like the info for it. O coin purse in green. $4.75. Here's the little certificate or little card, authenticity card. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beautiful. I'm like so dead. So there's like the little Chanel made in Italy part right there, and then the little serial number is right there. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am beyond. This is like one of the most stunning pieces I have ever seen. The color is like out of this world amazing. It is so nice. It has little Chanel logo on the zipper. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm so excited. Also, people are walking on the stairs. I apologize. But, I'm so happy. Look at my new babies. Are you serious right now? I don't know how I was able to find all these. And then in another video, I did also unbox this guy. So far, I've received these guys. And then these two. Oh, wait! And then also these. So these are pretty much all like brand new that I got right here. These are a little bit more pre-loved. This one I actually just fixed up. It's like a beautiful vintage zip around wallet. And then this one is a little coin pouch in maroon, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, I have like all the colors. I just need like an orange, and I thought I didn't have a violet, but this is kind of like purpley. Like it's almost like a purple, like an indigo. No, indigo is like more. Anyway, this is kind of like a purple, blue. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, I don't know what to do. I'm like sweating. Okay, well, that pretty much completes today's unboxing. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. Again, this video isn't like to brag or to show off anything. I'm just showing you guys what I ended up ordering online. I just had a fun time searching for things and kind of getting my thrifting fix by thrifting online. And trust me, I got a great deal on these wallets. And the fact that some of them are like brand new, some of them are like new. Like one card roll that had like light scratches. So beautiful. I am so dead and so excited. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. I am posting videos every single day, and I am expecting another delivery of stuff, which I'm really excited to unbox and share with you guys. And I have a ton of other videos lined up as well. So I hope you guys are excited for that. I hope you guys are all doing well, staying safe, washing your hands. I know it's really hard out there right now, but like I know that if we just all band together We're going to get through this, and in the end, we're going to be all the better for it. So I love you guys immensely. Don't forget to check out tomorrow's video, bright and early at 7 a.m. I'll see you guys all then. Bye!